What's up, cooking peeps? It's Wednesday. So I've been getting a lot of questions over and over again about how to cook hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. And a lot of people have come up with a lot of methods, the 5-5-5, the 4-5-4-5. And I always tell people we got to go back to the same procedure that we did before in our hard-boiled eggs. Even though we're doing it in an Instant Pot, it's exactly the same. So today we're going to be using the Avokado Steamer Basket and the Instant Pot, and we're going to be cooking hard-boiled eggs Amy way. So join me. Let's do this. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Avokado for sending these steamer baskets. We did the previous upload, we looked at the larger basket and we steamed broccoli, cauliflower, as well as potatoes in the Instant Pot. Today, we're going to be using this steamer basket from Avokado. What I think is so great about this basket is it has like a wire top to it, so it is firm. It has legs on the bottom, and it also has these little handles here so we can get things in and out of our pressure cooker really easy. I'll put links down to these, but I love these avocado steamers, and I really appreciate it because they're great. So I've gotten a lot of questions about hard-boiled eggs. I did a video in the past where we did easy to peel hard-boiled eggs and we did them in a steamer. And a lot of people love to make hard-boiled eggs in their pressure cooker, in their Instant Pot. So some people forget that their Instant Pot is not just a pressure cooker. It's also a slow cooker. It's also, you can saute in it and you can steam in it. So you can take that same procedure that I used on the previous video and you can do that in your pressure cooker, but you don't have to bother with all these formulas about, you know, pressure cooking and naturally releasing versus manually releasing and the timing, because a lot of people are having trouble with that and getting inconsistent results. You can apply my procedure from steaming right in your Instant Pot, and we're going to be using the steam function. And all you need is a really nice steaming basket such as the Avokado, and you can get some great results. Easy to peel and perfectly cooked. So let's get ready. So like I said, this is the Avokado Steaming Basket. What's great is it's rigid because it has a piece of metal around the top. I think this is great for eggs. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put our eggs in here. So how many should we do? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do 7 eggs. And let's get the pressure cooker over here. So this process is so easy. We are going to be using the glass lid instead of the pressure lid. So we're just going to take our glass lid off. We're going to put 1.5 cups of water in here. We're going to put our lid back on, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it on steam. We're going to let the steam come up. When it starts counting down, we're going to put our eggs in there, and we're going to cook them for exactly 12 minutes. So let's turn this baby on. So we're going to turn, this is the Ultra, so this is how it works on this one. We're going to go to steam, press it. We're going to do 12 minutes. We're going to go down, we're going to go pressure, none, and we're going to hit start. And it's going to heat up, and as soon as it kicks on to the countdown, we're going to put the eggs in. Okay, we're going to take the lid off real quick. We're going to put our eggs in here. It just went on over to 12 minutes, and as soon as this is done, we're going to have some beautiful hard-boiled eggs. Okay, so our buzzer's gone off. It's been steaming for 12 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take this lid off. Woo! Yay! They look great. We're gonna grab our little basket things here. We're gonna go ahead and lift them up, and we wanna put them in some ice cold water so they can cool and we'll be able to handle them. So I'm gonna sit here and let them chill a little bit, and as soon as they're chill enough for me to handle, we'll go ahead and peel them and see what we have. Okay, so we have our eggs in here. I'm gonna tell you, I really love this little avocado basket. I think it's great. So they're nice and chilled. They haven't been in here very long. They chilled pretty fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and break our shells here, and they peel just boom. And rinse them. Rinse it. I'm gonna peel one more. And because you steamed them, they peel beautifully. Look at that. That's a perfect egg. Doesn't tear. I always get eggs that like tear. Like half the egg tears, but when you steam them like this, they come out perfect. And cut it. It's beautiful. There's no gray. It's just perfectly yellow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, Boo, you want to taste an egg?
Maybe. Mmm. Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah, delicious. So I would say the avocado basket did a great job. I love it. It's a great addition to our Instant Pot arsenal. Also the eggs. You don't have to go through this 555, 631, whatever. Cook them 12 minutes. It gives you a great result. If you want them a little harder, go ahead and cook them maybe 14. Yeah, these are fantastic. He's back. They're really good. So, cooks, what's up? It's Wednesday. I just want to take this opportunity again to thank Avokado for sending those. I love them. Links will be down in the description. So, I hope you have a great week. I hope you're having a great Wednesday. And I hope you really enjoy cooking eggs in the Instant Pot. It is fantastic. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. You can catch me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also catch me on Instagram at Cooking with Amy. Yay. This is delicious.